How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. There are some problems at Binance, possibly. 𝗡cie possibly stepping down. We'll talk about that. Some news just hitting now, and I'm not spreading FUD. We're going to go through what actually happened and what people are saying. And then there's also some news about another place that you can keep your crypto that has recently been hacked. And if you haven't already gotten your crypto out of that wallet, I would definitely do it now. Be careful out there because this is getting kind of crazy. So I want to talk about all that. Of course, do your due diligence. Be careful out there. We already know that other exchanges are looking a little bit sketchy right now. Some people are worried about Gate.io and 𝗡cie Global, and those are two of the bigger companies now. People are talking about Binance and this other wallet company as well. So be careful out there. Keep the majority of your crypto on cold storage. I think that's the safest way of going about it. I do want to thank ZoomX, which is a partner of the channel, and they are an exchange, but they help you trade. So exchanges are great for trading, decentralized or centralized exchanges, great for trading, but not for keeping your crypto there. So keep that in mind. Now, let's get into it. So crypto is looking fine here today, down a little bit, 1.5%. The whole market, the stock market, is actually a little bit positive last time I checked. So you would hope that crypto is moving up, but you can see, there is some red. Part of that could be due to just the kind of stranglehold about getting fiat into the market. We've been seeing choke point 2.0 really stop people from being able to invest significant sums in the market as easily. Now, we get back to the bull market. I don't really think that's going to be an issue, but first of all, you have to get to the bull market. A lot of people, as I said just a few days ago, were worried about 𝗡cie and Gate.io being the next exchanges to go down for various reasons. But now people are talking about Binance. Binance possibly having some issues on the regulatory front. Now, I'm not here trying to spread FUD or anything like that. I think everyone should be a little bit cautious of any exchange out there, but I think Binance is probably one of the safer ones, but they have been having a lot of regulation problems. Recently, they moved out of Canada. Now they're talking about Binance handing rising star 𝗡cie the role to replace 𝗡cie at the largest crypto exchange. So what's this exactly saying? Well, he's taking an expanded role overseeing regional markets outside the U.S., and he wants to demonstrate Binance as a new organization. So possibly getting ready to hand over the reins. And last month, apparently 𝗡cie was looking to reduce his ownership in Binance US, the firm's American arm. And this was something to appease US regulators. Obviously, they lost Canada, but they don't want to lose the US as well. And 𝗡cie now is looking over Asia, Europe, Middle East, North Africa, as the exchange are often targeted by authorities. Attempts to draw a line under mounting enforcement actions. So they've obviously done some bad things in the past. I think every crypto exchange pretty much has, but they're trying to move past that. Maybe that's because they're at such a large volume now that they can play everything clean and they'll be okay. But obviously, I don't think 𝗡cie's going anywhere until he needs to. I don't think he's trying to step down. They even say that talking about this would be premature. 𝗡cie said that. He just wants to stress that they have a strong management team in place and many strong leaders looking after different parts of the business. He's just happy to be part of it. So I wouldn't be surprised if 𝗡cie took over if 𝗡cie really had some issues. I mean, he can't come to the U.S. He said that because he's worried that he's going to get arrested if he does. I think I think this is positive, actually, that they have some kind of secession plan set up. They said this years ago, but I don't think that 𝗡cie's actually going to step down anytime soon. Maybe step down from certain parts like Binance US. Maybe he'll sell part of it or sell all of it. But I don't think there's a lot of money looking to get in to buy exchanges right now either. So that might not work out either. But maybe in the next bull run, he takes advantage of that. Now, I do want to thank ZoomX, and then we'll get on to the wallet that just got hacked. Now, before we go any further, I want to thank partner of the channel, ZoomX. So ZoomX was founded in 2021, and it offers something really interesting. It offers a DEX and a SEX, a centralized exchange, through the same website. They have up to 150x leverage futures trading with 200 plus pairs. They have copy trading, P2P or peer-to-peer trading, on-ramp services, and engaging rewards campaigns. ZoomX provides a seamless, secure, and KYC-free trading experience to traders worldwide. They say including those in Canada and the US. ZoomX is a licensed futures trading exchange that has obtained regulatory approval from the Canadian Authority, FinTrack, and, again, according to them, the U.S. Treasury's Financials Crime Enforcement Network. ZoomX has also partnered with a couple big brands recently, Ferrari driver Oliver Biermann, and also with Villarreal CF. Now, I'm not a big soccer fan, but this is a pretty big club. Right now, they are doing a giveaway of a 256 gig iPad Air through the Telegram group, and they're also doing a NBA betting game to win up to $3,000. I'll leave links underneath the video so you can sign up and learn more. Thank you so much again to ZoomX for sponsoring this part of the video. Now, we've been talking about a lot of wallets that have been being hacked recently, or a lot of exchanges in trouble. 𝗡cie crypto wallet just announced this. We have been receiving reports of wallets being compromised. We're doing all we can to investigate and analyze the situation. As we have more information, we will share it accordingly. At the moment, less than 1% of the monthly active users have been affected or reported. Last drain transaction was confirmed over 40 hours ago. Now, that's about 2 days at the time of this recording. Security investigation is ongoing. We report victim addresses to major exchanges and blockchain analytics to trace and block the stolen funds. So, what exactly is 𝗡cie wallet? Well, it's a hot wallet. It allows you to hold over 1,000 different cryptocurrencies. They have apparently 5 million users. They allow you to stake your crypto and earn, that kind of thing. But according to this, you do hold your own keys. They say that you actually hold your keys. They're encrypted and never leave your device. This is anonymous. There's no KYC, no verification in their support. It seems like something really legitimate. But what happened then? They had a malicious update that sent your private keys to an attacker once you open the app. People now believe it's a scam by the developers. So they can say all they want about your keys never leaving your device, but apparently they can. So I don't know if this is something new that was enabled, but this should not be able to happen. You should not be able to change like this. So I think the best thing to do is to get your crypto on a cold storage device, the majority of your crypto that you're not trading with, and take it offline, right? Take your laptop offline if you plug it in. Make sure that you're being as careful as possible. Spread it over multiple wallets, that kind of thing. Because a lot of these people probably thought that they were fine, right? They said that they had their own keys. No one else had their keys. They weren't able to be taken off. And apparently this is $35 million. One person actually lost 8 million USDT in the attack. Now this probably goes without saying, but I would take all my crypto off of 𝗡cie wallet if you haven't already. I would take it off of any centralized exchange or even hot wallet, honestly, and put it on cold storage if you're not trading with it. This is just one more thing that's pretty negative, pretty bad, looks bad, but keeps you attentive. So take this and make sure that you learn from it, even if you're not the one being affected by it. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe, turn on that bell notification, check out ZoomX in case you want to trade on ZoomX, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.